It's Cheri with the Bandt Live. I'm a little tired. Yeah, how about you? Are you tired? Are you tired? This is my coffee. Say hello. Say hi. Okay, hold on.
To the coffee?
So let's see. What are we doing today? So this is what we're going to do. This is painted now. This is not my Bungalow 47, guys. This is the resin paint. I'm not sure I like the shiny, but I'm starting to kind of like it. The thing is, I don't have to spray it. So I painted these black little blocks, and we're gonna actually use some of the resin paint and do the edges. And I'm not gonna show you what we're putting on them yet. The resin paint is like cement paint. See how I made a mess? But it's hard not to make a mess, guys. You just kind of gotta pop it with a screwdriver. Once you break the seal, then you can open it. Okay, so I'm gonna shake it just a little bit.
But see, that's how I make a mess, is shaking it, probably.
And then I'm gonna take just a little bit, guys, because we're gonna go around the edges like I did before. All right, we're gonna go around the edges with the paint. I've got my little block. We're gonna dip this in. And if you've seen me do this before, we just kind of dab off. Don't want too much. And I'm just gonna lightly go around the edges because I'm gonna chalk white on this. So we'll set that over there. We'll have to dry these very quickly. We did the Scrabble tiles before, and you can see, obviously, these are way smaller. This is a 1x4, and this is a 1x2, 3. Is that right? Hold on. Yes, this is a 1x3 because it ends up being like 3.5 inches. So these are 3.5 by about 3.5. Prime lumber. This is prime lumber as well, but it's a 1x3. This is a 1x4. This is a 1x3. Well, anyways, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do joy on these little blocks, and I'm gonna use the Scrabble tile letters, and I know it's gonna be tight, guys, but I think it'll work. All right, let me get my J and my Y out of here. So we're gonna use the stencils from the Scrabble tile and from the Snowflakes. And I think this is just called Snowflakes. So we're gonna use white paste today to go with our little white border. And obviously I'm not doing the numbers, I'm just doing the letter.
Obviously.
Obviously.
I mean, guys.
So we're going slow and steady because see how it curls? See? That means I should have fuzzed it more because it is sticking to this.
Look at that.
So there's that one, and I think it's cute. Isn't that cute? See how cute that is? Okay. But see, none of the paint peels up or anything, guys. That resin paint is nice. There's our Y. It looks good! Okay, guys, so what do you think? Look, I think it's cute. Is that not adorable? I just think it's cute. I love the black and white. This is cute too, though, guys, but it's just a different look. So anyway, you all have a blessed one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Bye.